Good morning, student. On 21st August 2021, you introduce it with CET, Common Entrance Test for 11th, that is first year of junior college 11th admission. Okay, all over Maharashtra, conducted by Maharashtra State Board. Okay, for that purpose, there is 25 marks question, that is 25 questions from science part first and part second, 25 questions from history and geography, 25 questions from mathematics, and 25 questions from English. Okay, then for that purpose, we study today question bank of science and technology part first. Now, there is first question you see on your screen. A dash is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of motion of an object. A dash, which physical quantity is necessary to change the speed as well as direction of a motion of an object, is called force. Okay, that is its answer is force. Now, second one is the orbit of planet revolving around a star is. You know the Kepler's law of motion, first law of motion. The orbits of planet revolving around star is elliptical. That is, its option is D. Okay. Third question. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the dash of the mean distance of planet from the sun. Is the Kepler's third law of motion. T square is directly proportional to R cube. That is cube of the mean distance of planets. Kepler's third law of motion. The gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of masses of the bodies. That is, F is directly proportional to product of M1 into M2, that is mass of bodies, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The inversely proportional to the square, inversely proportional to the square, that is option is A. The value of universal gravitational constant is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kg square. The dash force is much weaker than, you know that electromagnetic force is always greater than gravitational force. Nuclear force is greater than intermolecular and electromagnetic force. Intermolecular force is greater than gravitational force. That is, weak force is gravitational force. Option is A. The value of gravitational acceleration G is highest at poles, highest at equator. You know it is highest at poles. That is, option is A. The value of gravitational acceleration at equator is very low. That is 9.78 meter per second square. The free fall of an object is possible only in vacuum. Okay. The weight of any object on moon is in nearly 1/6 of weight of Earth. जर आपले Earthवर 60 न्यूटन असेल तर तिथे 10 न्यूटन असतं. That is, here the option of question number 10 is 1/6. That's why a person weight 60 Newton on Earth is weight on the moon is 1/6 of 60, that is 10 Newton. Dominion write down the rule of tri trackways. Okay. Newland's law of octave applicable up to calcium, that is its B. X and Y are two elements having similar property which obey the Newland's law of octave. The minimum distance between X and Y are, you know that, the eighth element. That's why the first and eighth in between them is 6. Therefore 6 and 13. At the time of Mendeleev, there is dash as element are known, that is 63 element are known, that is answer is 16. In Mendeleev periodic table, Eka silicon was later named as germanium. Eka silicon ला काय नाव दिलं आपण germanium. Okay. The modern periodic table, the number of vertical columns and periods are respectively 18 vertical column and 7 horizontal rows. Therefore, option is C. Dash is the outermost cell of element of period 2. Period 2 having the two cells, that is K and L. That's why the outer cell is BL. The group of first and second constituent of the block is S block element. That is option is A. Which pair of number represent an element in the same group? In the same group, the valence electrons are same. Therefore, 11 to 81, 19 to 881. Therefore, the option is A. Which among the element will lose an electron easily? Sodium 281. That's why it lose electron easily. Therefore, option is B. Which among the following is the largest element? You know the potassium is the largest element. K. Arrange the following element in order to their decreasing metallic character: sodium, silicon, chlorine, magnesium, aluminum. So sodium is the most metallic character, then magnesium most metallic character, then silicon, chlorine. As we go from left to right in periodic table, the metallic characteristic decreases. Therefore, sodium is much more metallic character than magnesium, is greater than aluminum, than silicon. Okay, which that is from left to right, the metallic characteristic decreases. That's why. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the modern periodic table? Moving down, atomic radius increases. Okay, does not increase. Metallic character increases. Valency does not increase. Therefore, answer is valency. On moving from left to right, the size of atom is decreases. B, as the cell number is same. So you say that the size is same, but as the number of electron in the cell is increases, therefore it attracts towards the center. That's why its size is decreases. Which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is correct? 18 horizontal row. No, this one is false. 18 vertical column, 7 vertical column is also false. 7 horizontal row. Which is correct we want to find? 18 vertical column are known as group is the correct answer. That's why is the correct, that is C. Okay. Then the D block element are called transition element. Option is A. Okay. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius. That is the distance between the nucleus of atom and the outermost cell. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and outermost cell. That is option is A. Atomic radius is represent is picometer. Answer is B. The tendency of an element from cation that is cation that is positive ion. Okay, is the character of metallic. That is when it become cation if it lose the electron. The property of the lose electron is metal. That is the liquid from the halogen family. You know the bromine is the liquid from halogen family. While going from the top to bottom of the group, the atomic radius increases from top to bottom. That is number of cells increases. The tendency of element form anion from anion. Okay, is the character of non-metallic characteristics. Okay, the element from the zero group are called noble gases. Option is D. Writing the chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formula is called chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formula is known as chemical equation. Answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, very good. Chemical equation. When the positive charge of an ion increases or negative charge on the them decreases, it is called oxidation. It is called oxidation. Positive charge increases and negative charge decreases. That is, it loses the electron. That is the oxidation. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single is called decomposition. Is called decomposition reaction. The chemical equation, the dash right in the left of the side, reactant right in the left of the side. The product is right on the side. Okay, left on the side. Aqueous solution of zinc sulfate is added to aqueous solution of BaCl to barium chloride. तर झिंक क्लोराइड तयार झालं. झिंक आणि क्लोरीन, that is zinc chloride and barium sulfate, that is double displacement reaction. Therefore, option is B. The unit of electric power is watt. The live and the neutral wires have the potential difference of 220 volt. The electric bulb coil of dash tungsten, because it's the highest the melting point. That's why in an electric bulb of coil, tungsten metal is used. Option is B. The electricity will specified in the uses of unit. Option is D. The frequency of AC is 50 hertz. You know, 50 hertz. Okay, these days the when current in the circuit suddenly increases, dash switches are used. Miniature circuit breaker. Option is D. A coil of alloy of nichrome. Answer is B. Is used in electric heater cooker as a resistor. The right hand thumb rule is also known as Maxwell corkscrew rule. That is, answer is D. Dash is used for the electric measurement. Galvanometer is used for the electric measurement. That is, option is B. Which of the following scientists involved in the rule of electromagnetic induction? Michael Faraday. Answer is D. Which of the following substance contracts on eating? Contracts on eating ice. Answer is B. If pressure increases, the melting point of substance decreases. Okay. If pressure increases, it melt rapidly. The vapor contained in the air is measured by absolute humidity. Answer is C. Absolute humidity. Answer is C. Okay. Absolute humidity. Humid and dry nature is depend on amount of vapor in the air. Vapors in air condensed for B and C, that is rainfall and snowfall. Okay. When the temperature of water decreases below 4 degrees Celsius, temperature decreases, then its volume increases. Anomalous behavior of water. In the region with a cold climate, the aquatic animals can survive at 4 degrees Celsius because anomalous behavior of water. Option is C. From the option given below, specific heat is dashed of maximum iron. Answer is C. Ice ball is prepared from slided ice. Again, this is an example of a regression. The SI unit of specific heat is kilocalorie. Is the kilocalorie. Okay. Then that is the apparatus used to study the anomalous behavior of water of apparatus. That is necessary to raise the temperature of a kg water from 14 point. That is 1 kilocalorie. That is nothing but 4180 joule, because 4.18 joule, 1 joule is equal to 4.18 calorie. That's why it is 4.180 joule. Due to that, pencil looks bent in the water due to the refraction of light. If incident angle is 14, then angle of emergence is also 40 degree, because they are parallel rays. Incident ray and the emergence ray are the parallel plane. A ray of light strikes the glass slab at angle 40 degree with the surface of slab. Then the angle of incidence 40 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. We see the sun even after it goes below the horizon because of refraction of light. Dash is the unit of refractive index, has no unit because n1 n2 is equal to 1 mu 2 is equal to v1 upon v2. N is dash for law sin I upon sin R is called a Snell's law. Light different color used in the single safety transfer from this wavelength of red light is 700. Wavelength of is 700. Okay, Newton 700. If the refractive index of air with respect to glass is 2 by 3, then refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2. Therefore, option is B. The process of separation of light into its component color by passing through the medium is called the dispersion of light. Light changes its direction when going from one transverse medium to another transverse medium. This is called refraction of light. Refraction of light. A ray, option is A ray of light gets refracted once while entering the lens. The point inside the lens of principal axis through which a light rays without changing there is called the optical center. That is answer is B. Okay, that's answer 74. Answer is B. Very good. If virtual image is formed in an object when object placed between F1 and O, option is D. Option is D. Then the convex lens, if an object is placed to F1, then the image form is to F2. Okay, form as to F2 on the same side of the lens, no, opposite side, that is to F1. All distance parallel to the principal axis measure from optical center. A small or of changing diameter in the center of it is called pupil. Is called pupil. Answer is D. For a normal human eye, near point is 25 cm. Option is C. The image formed by dash lens is always virtual and small by concave. In a relaxed state, the focal length of healthy eye is 2 cm. Option is A. The specific glass F is equal to 0.5. Then diopter, power of lens in diopter P is equal to 1 upon F in meter, that is 1 upon 0.5 meter, that is 10 upon 5, that is the plus 2D power diopter, and plus power, that is the convex lens. Very good. 83. The myopia in the human eye are, what is by myopia? Distance vision is called distance vision. म्हणून लांबचं पाहू शकत नाही. Cannot see distance object clearly. That is the B, because it is myopia. Near distance due to elongation of dash, due to elongation of eyeball. नेत्रगोलाच्या elongation मुळे a person cannot see the distant object clearly. In hypermetropia, that is human eye can see the distant object clearly. लांबचं त्वरा clear दिसतं. Okay. Then third one is bifocal lens is required. Presbyopia. जवळचंही दिसत नाही, लांबचंही दिसत नाही, म्हणून त्याचा आन्सर presbyopia. 86. The dash can be images obtained by using simple 20 times motor दिसतं. Dash is the combination of convex lens, two convex lens, compound microscope or simple microscope. Which is the combination, that is answer is B, compound microscope. Okay, त्याच्यात पदार्थीय विंग असतो, that is the object lens and eye lens, नेत्रिका. Bronze is an alloy. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Copper and tin. Option is A. That is the alloy made from iron, steel, nickel and chromium. Stainless steel. That is the basic oxide. That one is the basic oxide, K2O, potassium oxide. And electrolytic reduction of alumina, that is used for cathode. Graphite rod is used for cathode. Iron, okay. Today we comes up to 90. Okay.